Good morning and welcome to San Juan. We are on the last pier today. We got the Norwegian Prima on the other side of us. I'll show you that in a second. But believe it or not, here it's only 6:30 our time, and the sun is way up. So one side of us we have the Enchanted Princess. Have you been on the Enchanted Princess? And on the other side of us, the Norwegian Prima. Pretty big ship. Got a go-kart track and a slide that gets you from that deck to that deck pretty fast. We have old San Juan in the background. All the bars are quiet right now. Pool is quiet. Nobody out here. Look who I got out of the room. She's feeling a little better. That's my baby. We'll have her good. We gotta have her good by tomorrow night. We got a free steakhouse. My baby. All right, so we just moved from right there because on the other side of us, it is pitch black. The rain is coming, and we're gonna watch all these people scramble. And it has started. The people who are already wet don't care. The people that are dry are left. Really going down now. But some people are just going to last. It is pouring. Those help, but not totally, because it comes down from there and splashes there onto us. Alright, so we are leaving San Juan. Say goodbye to the Prima has already left. The Princess is still there. We're right above us, as you can see the water. All right, goodbye to San Juan. Welcome to Amber Cove tomorrow.
I love that wall they got.
Yeah, babe.
Planted.
Yeah, we're eating kind of bland. Terrie's still under the weather. I got me some broccoli cheese soup, spaghetti carbonara, fish, and a biscuit. One thing about the Mardi Gras is they always have plenty of pizzas. She's making 1,000,000 of them back there, as you can see. And they always have them here.